welcome to InfoTech. In this video you will see how to create a stunning website using the Wix.com website builder, and it will be just free and you can create it from your mobile phone or your computer. I'm going to do it from my mobile phone. Wix.com is a free website builder across the world, and it's a really very nice website. So we will search on Google Wix website builder and then go on its website, then sign up. So here I'm gonna put the category of my channel, and then they will give me the website according to it, and then they will ask the name of my channel or my business, and then they will ask the category and all the things, and they will give me the ready template. Just have to edit it and put my name and put my contact number and put my address in it, and it will also be put, but we'll have to just edit a little bit and all the work will be done by them. So it's a really easy process. See the video till the end for more. So I have chosen the classic theme because I like it. I have chosen the informative theme because I liked it, and now we'll click on the build site, and it will take a little bit time to load because it's a website builder and it's an editor, so it will take time. Wait for it and do it. So as you can see, there is InfoTech, my name came and all the things came. We will have a preview from upside, you can see here, and I will show you in the desktop site as well. So wait for the So here you can see this is made on desktop side. This is open on desktop side. Here you can edit your website, www.wix.com/my site. You can edit like this, and you can edit everything and publish it. It will be live. And guys, you can also add your public domain of your personal in this way, like but do not connect it directly and immediately, because Wix every month and every week they give 50% discount, like 12,000 rupees of year, and $40 and $12 a year. So in this way you can connect a domain and make a website for free. No designer needed for you. The wix.com will provide it, made fully furnished and made website. So this was the video, guys, and just I hope that you like the video, because you don't need a designer for creating a website now, and you don't need to give any money. Just to connect your domain you have to give your money. And if you like the video, please subscribe to our channel and share it with your friends, and please support me for becoming a YouTuber. Thanks.